Greetings, lovers of herbs. Today on Herbalist's Notebook, we're exploring into the fascinating realm of adaptogens, those magical plants that have the power to improve our health. Imagine discovering the mysteries of herbs that have been treasured for centuries. The hidden heroes of traditional medicine, adaptogens, are here to assist us on our road towards total wellness. So grab a seat and get ready for the ultimate Adaptogen Showdown as we explore the world of ginseng and ashwagandha. As we uncover the amazing advantages these herbs provide, you'll be able to make wise decisions for a more balanced, healthier lifestyle. Together, let's go on this herbal adventure. Understanding adaptogens simply. Let's begin our exploration of adaptogens by learning what they are and the reasons behind their recent rise in popularity in the wellness industry. Adaptogens are unique herbs that support our body's ability to adjust to stress and maintain equilibrium. Consider them as nature's method of providing us with a little extra protection against the ups and downs of life. Adaptogens are special because they may be adjusted to meet each person's needs while still enhancing general health. People in today's world are looking to adaptogens for support as stress levels rise. These natural wonders are becoming more and more well-liked in the wellness and health communities because they provide a comprehensive strategy for preserving bodily equilibrium. So grab a seat and let's explore the realm of adaptogens further. We'll start with two powerful adaptogens, ginseng and ashwagandha. Introduction to ashwagandha. In our study of natural well-being, the well-known adaptogen, ashwagandha, takes center stage. This amazing herb has its roots in history and has been used extensively in traditional medicine for many years, acquiring a reputation as a powerful partner in enhancing general health. Ashwagandha has a long history in Hinduism and is revered for its many health benefits. This adaptogen has proven to be effective over time, offering benefits such as stress relief and more energy. Come along as we explore the fascinating history of ashwagandha and uncover the main advantages that make it a top choice for anyone looking for a healthy, natural way to feel better. Introduction to ginseng. Let's highlight ginseng, a well-known adaptogenic powerhouse, as we continue our adaptogen exploration. There are many varieties of ginseng, but the most well-known are Asian and American ginseng. Every variety offers a distinct set of qualities and advantages. Asian ginseng, also called Panax ginseng, is a major ingredient in traditional Eastern medicine and is known for its energizing qualities. However, American ginseng, or Panax quinquefolius, as it is formally known, has a slightly different profile and is frequently recognized for its adaptogenic and relaxing properties. Thus, knowing these different ginseng kinds will help you make an informed decision for your journey towards well-being as we enter the ultimate adaptogen clash. Discovering the goodness, it's critical to understand how each adaptogen enhances general health in order to fully appreciate the advantages of ashwagandha and ginseng. Well known for its traditional use in Ayurvedic medicine, ashwagandha has been connected to better sleep quality and a decrease in stress. According to recent research, ashwagandha may support feelings of calm and relaxation by assisting in the reduction of cortisol levels, the stress hormone. On the other hand, ginseng, which is well known in traditional Chinese medicine, is acknowledged for its ability to increase stamina and fight tiredness. According to scientific studies, ginseng may help with enhanced power and cognitive performance. Additionally, some research suggests that ginseng may help support the immune system. Both ginseng and ashwagandha have special properties that may help people in different ways. Ashwagandha appears to be a promising herb for managing stress. However, ginseng might be preferred due to its ability to improve cognitive function and energy levels. It's critical to take personal health objectives into account while determining which adaptogen best suits a certain person's needs. Possible downsides. Given the potential negative effects and problems related to ginseng and ashwagandha, it's important to use caution when utilizing these adaptogens. Although ashwagandha is generally well tolerated, some people may experience sleepiness from it. However, Ginseng can occasionally cause stomach problems or tiredness. The fact that each person's body reacts differently and that what works for one person could not work for another must be emphasized. Viewers should therefore be informed of any potential negative consequences. It is critical to stress how important it is to speak with a healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to their routine. This safety measure guarantees customized guidance based on each person's unique medical history and avoids any unknown problems. By advising viewers on the proper dosage and possible interactions, medical practitioners may help them include these adaptogens into their wellness journey in a safer and more knowledgeable manner. Expert opinions. Let's enter into expert opinions to give you a comprehensive understanding of ginseng and ashwagandha. To get their opinions, we contacted medical experts such as physicians, dietitians, and herbalists. Renowned Dr. Smith highlighted how ashwagandha may help with stress reduction and enhance general stamina. However, nutritionist Kelly emphasized that ginseng has an energy-boosting quality that can help fight tiredness. Herbalist Maria offered a comprehensive perspective, pointing out that people's reactions could differ and that it's important to take one's own health objectives into account. These different points of view highlight the range of opinions within the professional community, enabling viewers to make defensible choices according to their own requirements and preferences. Picking your perfect adaptogen and deciding which adaptogen is right for you, consider your individual needs and health goals. Decide which particular health issues, such as stress reduction, energy levels, or general well-being, you wish to address first. Ashwagandha may be a wonderful option if you're searching for a relaxing effect and stress relief. On the other hand, ginseng might be more appropriate if you're looking for an energy boost and enhanced cognitive performance. Consider your individual health and way of life. Certain people may react more favorably to one adaptogen than another. Before making any changes, it's crucial to start with a lesser dosage and see how your body responds. If you can, seek medical advice to make sure the adaptogen you've selected supports your overall health goals. In order to live a better and more balanced lifestyle, always remember that the key is to select the adaptogen that best suits your individual needs and objectives. We have examined the exciting world of adaptogens, emphasizing the conflict between ginseng and ashwagandha. While ginseng, in all its forms, offers a distinct set of advantages, ashwagandha, with its long history, offers something special. We discussed possible negative effects, compared their benefits, and exchanged personal experiences. Keep in mind that each person is unique, so take your needs into account while selecting the best adaptogen for you. See a professional before making any modifications to your daily routine for health. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you felt this information was helpful. Your queries and observations benefit the community. Naturally, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button to receive updates on new and educational stuff. Let's travel towards improved well-being together. I really appreciate you listening in. Thank you for your interest and time.